Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia, and as you can see from the title of this video today, I'm going to do the Karma is a Bitch Chinese edition. And yes, I'm going to be serious in this video. Yes, not like the previous one. I'm going to be serious, promise. Yeah. Notification. I was thinking to do a Mauritian version of Karma is the Bitch or Don't Judge Me challenge, but there is literally no Mauritian compilation on YouTube about them, so I don't know. I was thinking to ask you guys if you want me to like make a Mauritian compilation, or like a react to your video. I don't know, let me know in the comment down below. Oh no, wait, you know what, stop the video right now. Yeah, right now, and comment down below if you guys prefer, only if you like this idea obviously, but yeah, comment down below and tell me right now. I say right now again, comment down below and say me if you prefer Don't Judge Me challenge or Karma is a, or both of them. I don't know, comment down below right now. I'm gonna wait. You know what, I'm checking my phone. Notification and celebration. Boo, boo. Mario Maurice. Mon épée gratis. Did you comment? Okay, cool. If you guys like this idea and all this stuff, please follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my name here, I don't know, here, so you guys can like send me all your videos. And that's it. Did I say everything? I think, yeah, maybe, yeah. Let's start the video now. Poof.
Karma's a bitch.
Whoa! Wow.
Karma's a bitch.
Is she the same person? She's not. Isn't she the person? Oh, what?
Karma's a bitch.
She's so different. Whoa! Wow. Karma's a bitch. Oh my god. I don't know why, but they literally don't have any imperfection in skin. Because really, wow. She's so beautiful. She's gonna be so, oh! I like the jumper. Boom. I was saying, yeah, they don't have any imperfection on the skin. They got like a perfect skin goal. Whoa, this is so freaking beautiful.
Karma's a bitch.
Oh my god. No, she's not the same person, no. What? No. I mean, I different too with makeup, but there are some girls in this video that they are completely different. Oh, boy! A boy! Whoa! You look hungry? Okay, chill out.
Karma's a bitch.
You pick it so me.
Karma's a bitch.
Boom. Yeah, boy.
Karma's a bitch.
No, it's not the same. Ah, for the, alright, get it.
Oh well.
The attitude, yeah.
Karma's a bitch.
She's so cute. Oh. I really like the style of most of them.
Karma's a bitch.
Oh my god. She's so cute. She's so cute. She's kind of dull.
Karma's a bitch.
Black. Total black outfit. What? Isn't that Chinese
Karma's a bitch.
edition? What the fuck? What the fuck? Why?
Oh well.
Hi.
Karma's a bitch.
Oh, like that.
Oh well. Karma's a bitch.
Boom. I'm gonna do it as well now. Hello, Karma's a bitch.
Karma's a bitch.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Karma's a bitch.
Alright.
Oh well. Karma's a bitch.
Okay.
Oh well.
Helpful.
Karma's a bitch.
Karma's a bitch. Whoa. So different. Oh, seriously, guys.
Oh well.
We need to do the Mauritian version. We really need to. Bless her. Oh, Dan. I don't know why I like this kind of video. I mean, I don't know, I just like them. I don't know why, and I don't think that I'm the only one. I mean, it got more than 1 million views, so don't judge me. I mean, don't judge me, guys. Oh my god, don't judge me, challenge. Oh my god.
Shut your mouth, you mediocre clarinet player.
I'm gonna stop the video here. I can't be serious. I cannot. I know. Bye guys. See you in the next one.